The Career Education Advisors, formerly known as the Resume and Online Profile Advisor program, was created to allow Ryerson students the opportunity to meet with a peer advisor to develop the basic tenets of a resume, cover letter, LinkedIn, or magnet profile ahead of a meeting with a career education specialist or coordinators. They have been trained to assess the aforementioned subjects based on best practices and research. As peer mentors, career education advisors can help you navigate the complexities and uncertainty of creating a resume, cover letter, or LinkedIn or magnet profile from scratch. Since many of them know exactly what you're encountering, as they've been recently through the same experiences themselves. We do encourage students and alumni to see a career education advisor on their resumes, cover letters, and LinkedIn and magnet profiles before meeting with a career education coordinator or specialist. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.